Hey guys, welcome to another video. On today's video I'm gonna be painting my brake drums because 2 or 3 videos ago I paint my brake calipers, which if you want to take a look I will leave in description, but I just spent like $5 for a can, and I just spent half a can to paint the brake calipers. So I have another half can and my brake drums are not looking nice, so I will spend the other half can painting the brake drum. So if you want, follow the steps. You can easily paint by yourself at home. So it's really cheap to do this. So why not give a better look into your brake drums? With a can, for example, I paint my brake calipers and I will paint the brake drum. So with $5, so it's really cheap. So it's worth a lot to do it. If you are not a subscriber, please just subscribe. If you want, take a look at my other videos. We have been working on the Nissan Micra for a while. Another project is coming soon. I need to finish this one first and sell it, of course. And don't forget your thumbs up, that will help me a lot. So let's go, let's paint these brake drums. So the first step is to prepare for painting. You can do it 2 ways. One is sandpaper, which will take you a lot of time to do it. Another way is to use like a drill like this and wire wheels. If you have this, it will save you half of time, maybe it will be very fast. The next step is to mask everything that you don't want to paint. So I'll use this plastic just to mask this area over here. Once you mask everything, the next step is to paint. Is the nice part of this. I will use brake caliper paint. This cost me like $5. I used it before in the brake calipers, and now I'll just use the same can that I use in the brake caliper. So I spent $5 to paint brake calipers and the brake drum, so which is nice. if you like this kind of content, take a look at my other videos. Before we check the results, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you are not a subscriber, please just subscribe. Let's unmask this and take a look to the results. See you soon, stay tuned. Fui!
So I'ma light it up just like a cigarette smoke till it's in my